Mitsubishi Pajero MK1 short wheelbase vehicle. Description: this beautifully restored Mitsubishi Pajero MK1 SWB is now available for sale. Every detail of this iconic off-roader has been meticulously attended to, ensuring it is in prime condition both mechanically and aesthetically. Features and upgrades. Complete restoration, extensive restoration has been performed, bringing this classic vehicle back to its original glory. Engine overhaul. The engine has undergone a complete overhaul, providing reliable performance. New Saferich mud tires and steel rims. Equipped with brand new Saferich mud tires and sturdy steel rims for enhanced off-road capabilities. Brown leather interior. The interior has been reupholstered in brown leather, maintaining the vehicle's classic feel while offering modern comfort. Steelmate keyless entry system. Enjoy the convenience and security of a modern keyless entry system. Kenwood four-way speaker system. Upgraded with a high-quality Kenwood sound system for an excellent audio experience. Aftermarket jerry can and snorkel. Additional off-road accessories, including a jerry can and snorkel, are fitted for those adventurous trips. Locking differentials. Overhauled. The locking differentials have been completely overhauled, ensuring peak performance. New battery with warranty. Comes with a new battery, backed by a warranty for peace of mind. New AC compressor and equipment. The air conditioning system has been recently replaced with a new compressor and equipment, also covered by a 1-year warranty. Original book. The vehicle comes with its original book, maintaining its authenticity and value. This is a rare opportunity to own one of the best SWBs on the island. If you're looking for a classic Pajero that combines vintage charm with modern reliability, this is the one for you. Contact information. For more information and to schedule a viewing, please call. Serious inquiries only. Genuine buyers will be entertained. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle.